the Dominator snow plow. Heading south toward the pivot point.
About to snow plow at the Dom.
Initiate snow plow.
Whoa! Oh, the wiper's keeping up. Look. Okay, we're stuck. Well, we're good.
All right, we got it.
Pull off here.
Never stop executing. We just plowed that road. Good job, guys.
Public service.
Team Dominator's back. You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, right now we're in the middle of the blizzard here in northwest Oklahoma, just south of Woodward. Drifts, you can see, are almost 5 feet deep right here. Winds are picking up. The brunt of the blizzard is just coming. It's getting really intense. Snow emergency here in Woodward. Much of western Oklahoma under blizzard warnings. Look at the Dominator back there.
All right, let's go.